Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to enable grid lines on Android camera. So today you will just open the phone's camera on Android device. So when the camera is open, you will see there is the top right corner settings and there is the option grid. You will just turn it on grid. So you will see there are the boxes in camera. This is called grid lines. So this is how to enable. So we will just turn it off, so it will be grid lines removed on the phone. And if you are on, so you will see it. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.